In this video, we're continuing with volume of spheres, and we're working on example F on page 21 in your notes. And we want to find the surface area of a sphere whose volume is 12,348 pi meters cubed. So in order to find the surface area, I'm going to need the radius. So let's use the volume and work backwards to help us find the radius. So I know the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r cubed over 3, and they give us the volume, that's 12,348 pi, so let's go ahead and substitute that in. 12,348 pi is equal to 4 pi r cubed over 3. Alright, and I see that there's a pi on both sides, so I can divide those out. Those will cancel out. And since I have a fraction on the right, I'm going to put a fraction on the left as well, and now I can cross multiply. So I'm going to cross multiply this way. So I've got 12,348 times 3, which gives me 37,044. And I'll cross multiply that way. I'm just multiplying by 1, so that stays 4r cubed. We'll divide both sides by 4, and I get r cubed is equal to 9,261. Now, if this was squared, it's easy to just take the square root, but now since it's cubed, I have to take the cube root of r cubed. Alright, so if you have a TI 80 something, you're going to hit the math button and you'll see the cube root there. And if you have one of the other calculators, maybe you want to get some help to figure out where that cube root button is. So cube root of 9261, and we're going to get that r is equal to 21 meters. So now that I know that the radius is 21 meters, I can find the surface area of the sphere. I know the formula for that is 4 pi r squared. Now we're doing surface area, so it's only two-dimensional. So that's going to be 4 times pi times 21 squared. And if we leave that in terms of pi, that's going to be 1,764 pi meters cubed. 1,764 pi meters cubed. So we're kind of working backwards to find the radius, and once I have the radius, I can work forwards again to find the surface area. Alright, so as always, make sure you get your questions answered, and we'll see you next time.